Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we put the bike back together. We got ourselves the new cam chain guide B that broke off. As you can see, it's a lot thicker, brand new, not as worn out as the other one that I had. And surprisingly, somehow this broke in half. So got that. We also got the new cam chain guides itself. Still debating if I'm gonna replace these or not. Probably should, just so that we don't run into the issues, but that requires draining the oil, taking this cover off, cleaning the cover off, degreasing, cleaning that off, scrubbing it down, and then re-sealing it back together after changing out the guides and stuff like that. Right now I kind of am in the midst of determining whether or not I want to change that out or just leave it as it is. Probably at the moment just leave it as it is until this weekend, and then this weekend I'll probably change it. I'm just trying to get the bike back up and running because it's the holidays and my grandma's birthday is coming up on the 30th, but the party's on the 26th, so I need to have the bike back up and running, and then I also need it back up and running for the new job. It's a couple of issues, right, that we ran into. One being a couple of things actually. Eventually, whenever I get paid, I gotta order a new brake reservoir or brake master, because the 0304, it works for now, but it's gonna cause some issues later on down the road just because of the lines are gonna get super kinked up, and well, not kinked up, but they're gonna get super stretched. So we're gonna get a 07 plus master cylinder. It could be CBR1000, as long as it's not a built-in master cylinder. Basically you could run it. The only thing about the built-in master cylinders is that you can't run no external reservoir or anything like that. The reservoir is built into the master. That's the only issue. Also, as you can see right here, the master is hitting the adjustable clip-on, not allowing me to adjust the clip-on in a little bit more like I need it to be. And yeah, that's another issue. Second issue is, right, homie forgot to give me the hardware and the bleeder valves for the brakes. So we got to go down and get 4 new bolts, and we got to find a bleeder valve that fits this, because the 0304 ones does not fit this at all. So I actually hit him up. Hopefully you can vouch for me and I can go get the hardwares. If not, I just gotta wait till Thursday, which is gonna fucking suck because I hate waiting for shit. At least we got the guides in, so I'm gonna try either put y'all on my helmet while I'm doing this so that y'all have a better visual of what I'm doing instead of using it on a GoPro stick, or just leave it on GoPro stick like I have been before. But I'm trying to get y'all better video footages and quality of stuff like that, so probably just gonna mount y'all my helmet and just go straight for it, just because I had the mic on there and stuff like that, so you're gonna be able to hear me a lot better and clearer. But for now, the main goal is to get this on, get the valve cover on, and then a couple of other things, right, that I forgot to mention. If you're gonna stunt ride, if you're gonna do wheelies on these bikes or any bike in general, you need to do a clean air mod conversion. So that is technically what we're doing today. I gotta go grab some more hoses and then a filter, and that's about it. Yeah, run the hose from here up and create a little air filter like right here, wherever it goes. But yeah, that's the thing. We got to go down to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and grab is 1.5 inch worth of hoses, some T's, plastic T connectors, bolts, and a bleeder valve for the brakes, and probably some brake cleaner, because if we're gonna change the other guides, we're gonna need a shit ton of brake cleaner. Alright, so hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing, but got the cam chain guide here right now, so we're just gonna go ahead and install this. So take these screws off. Ooh, good thing that didn't fall in there, because that would be a nightmare. I think this goes down like this. Yeah, go down like that. I know you probably can't see what I'm doing very good, but I'm trying my best with this helmet setup. Alright, so Where's my 10 mil? There it is. I don't want that. Just tighten this. Alright, that's one. And second one.
My nose running. Got my shades open. It's a whole skyline in the city's right in front of my face. Yeah. I'm in a zone this year, it's all fire. Nigga, check my attire. Your worst fears confirm your reign at the top expires this year. No application, I'm higher this year. This in dedication to that bitch to slash my nigga tires. Oh yeah, I knew about you. Bitch, I knew about you. Came up on a good nigga and he ain't have a clue about you. Try to tell the nigga, don't trust that bitch as far as you can smell a nigga. But you live and you learn. On this road to riches, niggas bound to miss a few turns. Don't let the bridges that you cross turn into bridges you burn. You're bound to miss a few turns. Don't let the bridges that you... Fuck it, y'all don't hear me. Look. Hey yo, I walk along this long harbor of life and sit on the piers, reflect on my pain and shit on my fears. Should I feel an ounce of guilt that I outdid all my peers? Or write my name in the sky and show them niggas I'm here? This one is for the history books, picture me shook or failing. This is revenge of the dreamer, misery took 1 million of my niggas' hopes from them. Don't even know some of them no more, the coke numb them. No suicide note from them, they killing they selves, slowly killing they selves. 5 iPhones dropped, my niggas still in the cell. He say he found God, shit I doubt it. To each his own, whatever keep it strong.
Alright, so valve cover's back on, right? Valve cover's back on, plugs are back on. Next thing, right, before we can even do this, I need to, oh snap, what's going on? Before we can even put the bottom part of the air box on, I need to go down and get the hoses and the block off. So I can't really put the air box together without those block offs for the clean air mods. I'm gonna have to figure out how to go down there, but for now I think what we can do is at least put back the wiring, put the wiring back together, and then put the radiator back together, and then the last is just the air box and the air filter and the gas tank, and that's about it. Picking up where we left off, right? So we got the valve cover on. I had to modify this and make a little hole so that this would sit on there flush, because before it wasn't sitting on there flush and the throttle was getting stuck, but we fixed that now. Clean air mod, right? So I don't have the plugs for this hole right here and that hole right there. This hose right here is supposed to be a breather valve hose. So I was told to run a filter from here and just connect it to right here. I've seen certain videos, right, where the dudes who run clean air mod, they'll just recirculate the whole valve cover so that, you know, they run a T right here. They'll run a T right here, connect these two and connect that into that, so that if any oil travels, it just gets recirculated back into the valve cover on the top of the head, and it just gets recirculated through the motor instead of just flowing up and into the filter. There's multiple ways of doing this. You know, I'm not opposed to any certain way. Right now, right, since I can't do the clean air mod filter, I'm gonna put the radiator back together. I'm gonna put the radiator back on. Put the coolant back in the system. At this point, I might as well just drain the oil and do the other chain cam guides or other cam chain guides as well, and just be done with it. You know, which is all it is like 4 fucking bolts to the brakes, and then $3 worth of hose and caps and stuff like that.
Get about it. We need your home, cause see a war's going on outside. I about cried when that boy that the cop shot died. My mouth wide open from shock. Sick and tired of hoping to stop. It's Pin the only hope that I got. I open up shop and break out. Got what you want, I got what you need. My heart on my sleeve, watch me bleed. I break out. Dream real as a team, my team ill in the fiends. And you ain't real as you seem, and we can tell, nigga. Fuck what you think, as if your shit don't stink, nigga. My shit won't sink, cause it can't. I got to break the fuck dream real as a team, my team ill in the fiends. And you ain't real as you seem, and we can tell, nigga. War stories, got tour stories, pop 4 whores on the top floor stories. Niggas know every verse is worth a brick of blow. Just a 7-figure nigga, got the game in figure 4. I know at times I'm hypocritical, you niggas dig it though. I fucking till my dick is solely bitches walking pigeon toe and break out. On to the next bitch, homie, your new chick, that's my ex-bitch, homie. In fact, I'm still logged into Netflix, homie. Just make sure she cook you breakfast, homie. Her bacon slamming, but the eggs get runny. Funny, so many bombs, you think flex get money from me. Cold world, but my neck is sunny. Now I don't fuck around with hoes from reality shows or blow-up dolls, cause I don't like having sex with dummies. Love me, no disrespect, man.
Alright, y'all, so I got the radiator on. Fluids are all in it. The only thing now to do is just wait for the caps for these things, because I can't really put the gas tank on or the ECU back in and plug all the wiring back up until the air box is back on, surprisingly. But I'm gonna go ahead and drain the oil out of the engine. I'm gonna take off this other side of the cage. Might as well just put the other cage back on that side, bolt it down, and then just drain the oil out of this, and then go ahead and change out the guides.
Honey, this just a compilation of my observations while trapped in this godforsaken nation. Shit, but since we making conversation, I've been thinking me and you would make a banging combination. I know that you mad, I know what I said, but my dick be arguing with my head. Are you with the bed? Well, if so, let's break out. Got what you want, I got what you need. My heart on my sleeve, watch me bleed. I break out. Dream real as a team, my team ill in the fiends. And you ain't real as you seem, and we can tell, nigga. Fuck what you think, as if your shit don't stink, nigga. My shit won't sink, cause it can't. I got to break the fuck dream up out of here. Team, my team ill in the fiends. And you ain't real as you seem, and we can tell, nigga.
Alright, y'all, so now that this is on, we can go ahead, put the rest of the fan cage back on, put the front nose on, put the cage on and everything, and then tomorrow we will finish the wiring, put the ECU on, the hose, the gas tank, and bleed the front brake lines and bolt down the front brake calipers, and then we're going to change out the front brake master to the other one, so that we can adjust the clip-ons in more if we need to be. I'm pretty sure I might have to adjust them in a little bit more, but we'll see once we get the new master. I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse, put the rest of this shit on, and then I'm gonna call it quits for today.
Swear my dreams are taking long. I was pissed but never stalled. Made trip, I never fall. Stay true to who you are. Can't win without a war. God came and healed these scars. Late nights with all my dogs. I can see it from afar. See, it's days like these, I think that pain made me strong. Had purpose all along, whether right or whether wrong. When my doggy stuck inside a jam, I'm the one they call. Felt good to talk the sauce. Before you walk, gotta crawl. Told him question God long enough, that man bound to respond. Did the same thing with Paul. Better answer when he called. We ain't seeing eye to eye. Still paid a visit to his mom. I still care regardless of whatever. I still paid a visit. Look, almost gave up on my dreams cause I felt I wouldn't pop. And that burden weighed a lot. Lost a lot but gained a lot. Thank God I stayed true. A big stage I never rocked. Even if I touch one, I touched a lot. I'm not just saying that to be cool. I really mean that. And all I wanna be is true. I never compromise who I am for the betterment of somebody else. And all I wanna be is true. If you can't accept me for, for who I am, then we don't need to rap. That's real talk. Yeah. Boy boy, I know that ain't the real you. Speaking factually, we ain't believing all that struggle you be rapping, G. Sell your soul just to make it happen rapidly. Just for some chrome up in your mouth, just like a cavity. Wait, not me, you gotta let it happen naturally. It means more when you watch it grow gradually. I hope I change the game for those coming after me. I need the key to every door, I'm the faculty. Talking on the balcony, but watch where you vent. They want you happy, but they never want you happy as them. And you ain't happy within, think you lie to yourself. You gotta learn to listen up and keep your pride on the shelf. See, I've been tripping LMA, just tryna get it right. Woo. This gon' take 40 days and 40 nights. Days like these, I gotta stick to the calling. See, I've been moving in silence, let my results do the talking. Flow sick, I might vomit. I don't speak on this often. Thought I'd touch on the topic, so is it cool if I'm honest? Found out he did my mom dirty more than once and I lost it. Wanted to do something to him when I first got the knowledge.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I got a couple modifications I gotta do, I'll point out in a second, but so we got the cage back on. I gotta take the other side off because I forgot to put the spacer on that side. So I gotta unbolt that side, put the spacer on, and then bolt it right back up. So as you can see, I already trimmed my front nose fairing, right? But I'm gonna have to trim it a bit more, just because as you can see, it's hitting right here, and then it's gonna be hitting on this side. So I think what I'm gonna do is cut these at a triangle on each side. Cut these down at an angle right here on each side, and then see if it should be good. I think once we get the brand new master and lever, I think this will still hit regardless, but we're gonna trim that off anyway, just so that we don't have any no like turning lockup. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope y'all have a great Thanksgiving, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get more notification when I drop a video, and I'll see y'all next time.
Since I had my nose fully, yeah.
House full of kilos, soul pounds of zeros. Cocaine my hero, you ain't fake side getting Debo. Always asking what the learner like. Young home still freeload, don't fly, don't